How to delete all files from Google Drive at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Google Play Store and check if there are any updates available for the Google Drive application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap and open and it will lead me to the home page of the Google Drive. Also make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to delete the files from. So after logging in, you can see the home page over here, and after that all you have to do is just tap on the files, and just to delete the files what you have to do is you can just tap on every single file over here at three dotted lines, and you can see the option of remove at the bottom. So when you do it individually, it may take a little while, but your file will be deleted. But if you want to delete all the files from the Google Drive at once, what you have to do is just tap on the file and then select on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select on the delete button over here, and you can just tap on move to bin, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.